Let's talk about how to get the initial position of the three balls for your challenge problem. I'm going to use trial number 5 just because it's not one that you're going to use, so just to show you, load it. The next thing I'm going to do is, I notice that the kids are still touching the balls. I don't want, that means they're speeding up, right? I want them after they're moving with constant velocity. In other words, I want to move until all the fingers are off the balls. It doesn't have to be the very first, but I'm going to go, okay, that's good right there. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my ginormous meter stick, and we need to set up our frame of reference. So we can put it anywhere we want, but I'm going to put the origin of my frame of reference on the last ball, and I'm going to use the right edge just because it's easy to see, easier than the middle guessing, and also that's what's going to cross the finish line first. So if it had been the white ball, I would use the white one, but it's the blue ball, so I'm going to put, or the red ball, but it's the blue one is in the back, and so I'm going to make that 0. Otherwise, like if you made the white ball 0, then the blue ball, you'd have a hard time measuring it, plus it'd be negative. And let's avoid negative numbers when we can. Anyway, so I put the 0. Notice what I'm doing right here is I'm putting the 0 right on the right edge of the blue ball. So I now know the positions of my 3 balls. The blue ball will have a position of 0, 0.0 centimeters. Now I look up and I say, where's the white ball? According to this frame of reference, and I'm going to say it's 24.5. I'm going to try to go to the nearest tenth of a centimeter. 24.5. The blue ball looks to me like it's right around 8.0 centimeters. And that's what you're going to do. Now, I left out one important point yesterday, which is we need to know where the finish line is according to our frame of reference. So I've added that now. But on the right side, I look at the black line and I see that to me it's 90, a little bit more than 93, less than 94. Excuse me. So I'm going to say 93.5. So that's something I had not talked about before, is you must know where the finish line is because you're going to use that to solve for time. All right? So that's how you do it. Now, once you've made a record of these 4 positions for each of the balls and the finish line, now you can move this around all you want to find velocity, because when you find velocity, it's going to be easier to have each ball start at 0 just to make the recording the data points easier. I'll show you how to do that in another video.